Aryan is not like a first-time offender. He has done this in the past as well. This is something that the Narcotics Bureau has in fact said as far as in connection with Aryan Khan is concerned, isn't it? Okay, Sahil continues to be with us. In fact, the NCB said that the accused can't call the arrest illegal. This is what they've just, in fact, said in court. This obviously answering to Mukul Rohatgi, who just the day before us, yesterday, was in fact talking about the arrest and the prolonged stay illegal. In fact, the ASG continues to maintain that initially there was no questions being raised on the arrest memo. So why these questions now? Once again, going back to Sahil, for what has happened in court, ever since the hearing began about an hour ago or so, in fact, more than an hour ago, Sahil, the Narcotics Control Bureau, is in fact talking about in court about the fact that Aryan has been an offender in the past as well. He's been consuming drugs, and also that when there is recovery of commercial quantity, it shows that there was some involvement. Also that that at that point in time there was no drugs recovered, but that does not really mean that Aryan Khan has not been peddling in drugs, isn't it? Majorly the reliance is on the WhatsApp conversations and nothing else.
Well, Sneha, they are yet to come to the WhatsApp conversations yet, but of course that will be also point of reference here. But what I can see clearly here that many of the arguments, the ASG whenever he puts forward, he is trying to tell the court that some of the arguments, some of the citations made by the defense lawyers can be applicable at the time when the case will come for the trial. That means once the Narcotics Control Bureau files the charge sheet, completes the investigation, files the charge sheet, and when the trial will begin, that time they can challenge certain things, not at the time when the case is under investigation. The NCB has not completed the investigation. The NCB has not said that they have completed the investigation and will be filing a charge sheet soon. So till the time they don't file the charge sheet, we can't say that Aryan Khan should be released on bail. Is what something ASG is trying to emphasize on the judge at this point of time. Very interestingly, he said, kind of a quip. What we could see here is that ASG tried to tell the court that it was a colorful party. He told the court at least they should not have done this on Gandhi Jayanti. So he's invoked Gandhi Jayanti because this happened on 2nd of October. So that's why he's invoked Gandhi Jayanti, where the judge quipped to him. They say that they did not even have a party. They could not do the party because they were apprehended at the terminal itself. They could not enter the cruise. The party never happened. It's something he tried to quip to him. Well, the arguments are still on. Various citations are being said. Yes. He's emphasizing that as said by the defense lawyers, the arrest is not illegal. They never challenged it when it was at the remand stage. They never said it to the magistrate. 3 remand applications were filed. 3 times the remand applications were debated and argued in the magistrate court. They never said that. Why are they saying it now? It's something what the additional solicitor general is telling the Bombay High Court.
Sahil, also the affidavit clearly that the NCB has talks about how they believe that